There we go. Ooh. Ooh, that's a... Dude, Ryan, I got a huge bass on. Yeah, dude, it's fighting so hard. Dude, it's a giant. Oh my God, dude. Dude, it's freaking huge. Oh my God. Oh, dude, it's huge.
Damn.
Oh my God. Dude. Oh my God. Bro, that's a huge fish.
Damn, yo,
dude,
that's the biggest one I ever got here. Like, even in the main pond. Holy shit.
Dude, that's a toad. My God.
Just got this nice fish in the creek. Really fat fish. Probably like high ones.
Oh yeah.
Nice fish.
Biggest one we ever got here.
Yeah.
And
Alright, thank you.
just took a couple just to be sure.
Yeah.
Damn.
Damn,
That's
dude,
nice.
that thing fought
That was
so
just on
hard.
The worm?
Yeah,
Did you have a
dude,
sunny-
it is? There we go, a little bass, but yo, I just got a really small bass. Probably like 5 inches. It's fat though. Dang, those fish really want to get away. Right down there. Another bass. Man, these things fight hard in the creek. Just downsized with this little, I'm just using a little panfish hook. And this little piece of like, it's a Bass Pro worm with a little kind of pinkish fluorescent color to it. And a split shot. Nice bass. Little fatty too, look at him, future lunker. Oh, yo, I got a nice fish on. It got me like snagged though. I'm snagged. I'm snagged like on the log now. I don't think it's on anymore. Damn, dude, that was a nice one too. All right, hopefully this fucking thing floats. Oh, dude, I still got him on. Dude, it's a nice one too, Ryan. Dude, man, I thought I lost him because I snagged up on that stick, but I just got another nice bass right by here. I probably scared all the fish because I just went out on here, but it's a nice one. Nice creek bass. There we go. Ooh, soaked. Dude, this water's so cold. Hey, got a bite. Them sunnies are aggressive, bro. Yeah. It literally hit it as soon as it hit the water. Nice little creek sunny. Dude, these things are aggressive. Yo, look how cool that one looks. Yo, see that? Wow, that's a cool sunny.
Dude, I fucking got a knot right here.
Little bass.